Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Focus, the sync system. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then you can either go to phone or you can go to menu. If you go to phone, that's the easiest, but I'll show you this. Sync settings, sync applications, sync settings, Bluetooth devices, click Bluetooth devices, no phones paired, please add a phone. So you've got add there.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So sync showed up there, select it.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
It does, so pair, and then click yes on the left. If it didn't, you click no. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, but you will, so don't allow. And that's it, it's paired.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Download phone book, yes or no. I don't want it to, but you may do. That's it done.